Okay, so we've got golfer here, Rich Shelton. Rich shoots mid-80s, and his main problems are inconsistency in the strike and the direction. So we're trying to get both of them a little bit more consistent now. What we've been mainly working on in his swing is trying to reduce the amount of movement that he's been having in his backswing. There are downswing issues, but really we can't move on to them until we simplify his backswing, get a little bit less movement. What I've got here is a bit of a comparison between his swing now, the one on the right here, and his swing 1 month ago, just to show how much progression he's actually made in reducing the amount of movement. So let's just talk through the swing as we go through. So setup, we've made a little bit of a change. We've got the hands a little bit closer to the body, which is nice. The main thing we've been trying to work on is his takeaway. Now what you tend to want to see in the takeaway position is where the hands and the club head stay within these two red lines. As you can see, the new swing here isn't perfect by any means, but it's a lot better than what it was 1 month ago. Let's get to the same position. You can see the difference here, trying to get the arms, the body and the wrists working correctly so the club head sits more within these two red lines. You can see on the left here how behind the club head gets. So that's a big improvement already. And then the next part of the swing, the top of the swing, we're trying to get a lot less body rotation, a lot less torso rotation at the top of the swing to reduce the overswing that he has. Again, not perfect, but from last month it is a huge progression. As you can see how much the body has actually moved on the backswing. The reason why we're working on this is because it's going to be a lot easier for Rich now in this new position to deliver the club in the desired way. It's also going to be a lot easier for when we start to work on the downswing. It would have been very, very difficult to start working on the downswing with this current position that he had here. We have seen some really nice results just by improving the backswing, just by trying to simplify the backswing. But the biggest improvements will be seen when we start to improve his downswing, trying to get a little bit more connected with the body and trying to reduce a bit of early extension that he has, a bit of body sliding that he has as well. So a massive progression for Rich, and hopefully by the start of next season he will have sorted the downswing out as well. I'll keep you posted on his improvements. Thanks for watching.